Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. Friday, August 2nd. Kind of a high volatility environment for crypto, but I'm not complaining. Was a hard week. We dumped straight down, as you can see on my chart. So we dumped from 69, 70k all the way down to 64, maybe even lower. You saw here. Well, hard environment, but at least we have some volatility and we can find some opportunities. Morning, Stefan. Morning, Bucur. Morning, Cos. Robert, Sebastian, Bova. Well, guys, let's try to do an overview on higher time frame daily, and then maybe we can find some setups. It's Friday. We have big news today, so if you want to take a break and just sit on the sidelines, I could understand that. Yeah. So before we'll start the New York session and we'll live stream, 1 hour before that we have NFP and unemployment rate. Usually these reports move the market up and down. So be damn careful to be on the default position if you're a day trader. Default position 100% in cash. But until then, let's do the overview and see what we have on Bitcoin. On daily, you can see this candle close is damn good. I like this candle. Everyone saw how nice this one closed. In New York session we had 62, 200, 300, and then the market bounced above 64k. That means the market is not ready yet to push lower. Now with this candle, you'll see on lower time frame we are just retesting that level. So I got the idea that maybe we'll bounce from 64 and we can push back up in the short reload zone here. Just maybe. Let's wait and see what will happen. Indicators here. Well, I don't have anything special on indicators on daily chart. We need to go on 4-hour chart to see what we have. So let's do that. First of all, price action. Price action wise, we bounced here, okay, and now you can see we formed a kind of a 3-bar fractal bottom here on 4-hour chart. And now we are just retesting that move to the upside, and we are testing again 64. For me, it's a buying opportunity here. Let's see indicators. Well, I could see a W here, not a W in price. We can form one from now on, but you can see W and a RSI. Nothing special on OBV for the moment. No. So on 4-hour chart, for me, this is bullish because we closed back above. Was kind of a fake out or an SFU setup here. We closed back above. Now we are retesting 64 again and we are ready to push higher. I could be wrong. 40% of the time I'm usually wrong. So who knows? Well, let's see daily on the other templates and Ethereum and other charts, and then we can go on lower time frame to find some setups. So still short with this hedge. Nothing wrong with that. Let's see what will happen today. We have big news, so we can expect even higher volatility. That's why I said in the beginning, maybe it's better to stay out. We can go all the way down to 60 and all the way up to 68 in one candle, depending what the reports will be. Ethereum. Sorry, guys. Well, if you remember, I said 61.8 here, rejecting. I was expecting a lower bounce, and you can see we bounced all the way up here in a short reload zone, and now we are going back down in the long reload zone again. We can do an AB equals CD here on Ethereum. Yeah, we can. It's a shorting opportunity. No, it's not. So let's see an AB equals CD. What's the target? I'll just copy this one. I don't I'm lazy today. Well, okay, you can see A, B, C, D is pointing out here just below $3,000. So if I'll see a W on 4-hour chart, okay, W on 4-hour chart here at 78.6, that will be a buying signal for me. AB equals CD completed, nice long reload zone, probably will have some bullish divergence on 4-hour chart if we'll get there. So that will be a good setup for me. Okay, so at this point here, Ethereum it's a bit weaker than Bitcoin, and I prefer to play the bounce on Bitcoin, not on Ethereum. Okay, now let's see Bitcoin dominance. Well, I was expecting a lower volatility, but you can see here we can form an M. Head and shoulders, well, it's possible. It's too early to say that this is the shoulder. The head will be higher and then will form the right shoulder. I kind of think yamming out here. But let's wait to see if that will happen. For the moment, on daily time frame, guys, look here. Yeah, we had a range. Let's ignore the short reload zone. Okay, we have a range here. This is the resistance, and we broke to the upside. We bullish retest this area, and we can push AB equals D to the upside. It's possible. So I'm hoping for an M here, but I'm not blind. I have to see the support and resistance level, and you can see the breakout and retest. It's textbook here. So we can push a lot higher on Bitcoin dominance. If that will be the case, well, for us will be okay. Why? We have a lot of investment plans on altcoins. The lower they go, the better for us. So seeing people here, well, it's going lower. Okay, I love that. I still have some cash. I'll buy a lot lower. It's one thing to buy, for example, what I bought last time, Peer. To buy Peer at 2.8 or to buy Peer below $2. Maybe even a lot lower. So that will be the difference between 50x and 100x, or maybe more. So I'm enjoying this environment. I'm selecting the coins I want to buy, and I'm slowly accumulating. If it's the case for an AB equals CD in the market will push above 57, well, every bull market has a washing out kind of environment. Now, well, we'll get rid of all the, or almost all the public, the stupid money, let's call it that way. Yeah? So they'll clean up everything before we'll start pushing up again. Will happen in the next 2 months? Who knows? I'm ready for that environment. Okay, so here I'm hoping for an M here, but you can see it's kind of big. I don't like it. Maybe on 4-hour chart, being in short reload zone here, maybe we can hope for something. So something like this. No? You can see initially M breaking down, W pushing back up, but we are in a short reload zone here. So let's wait to see what will happen here in the short reload zone. Just bear with me 1 second. Okay. Yeah, you can see we are reaching this area here. Short reload zone here. If I'll see a 4-hour EM, okay, then I could go and hunt with Holy Grail or even Classic. I could go and hunt some long setups on altcoins. For the moment, you can see it's pushing higher. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, 4-hour chart, you know my thesis. W, breakout, retest, big W, breakout, retest. But that trade is kind of played out. You can see we have an EM here and we are slowly bleeding back down. Not the best environment to trade Ethereum versus Bitcoin, even if you are trading this pair. DXY, 4-hour chart, daily chart is the same thing. You can see from the smaller range here, but on daily we are in the same levels. Okay, so nothing changed here. Total market cap, well, it's just you can see EM, breaking down. We can go lower here and even lower. I don't see anything bullish here. Similar, I was hoping here for AB equals CD. Well, seems like not. We have an M. Now we can think about taking this low, this high, waiting the long reload zone kind of idea. Total 3 is similar with the rest, so no. Like I said, on total 3, if you see a close above this level, then you have all the reasons to think altcoins is not. Until then, no. Okay, that's the overview. Let's go and look on 4-hour chart. Maybe we can find some setups. And I'll start with Bitcoin. 1 hour, I'm hoping here, you can see is bouncing, but I'm hoping for a SS setup. We can play also, if you want a better risk to reward, you can play, for example, Mountain Man. For example, something like this. I think it's a good idea in this case. I think it's a good idea to think, okay, let's be more aggressive and play Mountain Man. Then you can play Shark setup. I'm giving you some examples. What you can do here, if you are playing Mountain Man and Shark, you are targeted 2.5 on Mountain Man, but you need a 3-1 for the Shark. And at the end, well, you can trade even an SFU here. Breaking down, reclaiming. Let's see how deep it will go. Select your favorite setup and play it. I posted on premium, I posted for everyone, I posted this one. It's the simplest idea, okay? You're taking this Mountain Man, 61.8, and your risk all the way down here. You are hoping for a bounce, and maybe 38.2, maybe even higher. But you can play Mountain Man and Shark, or you can do whatever you want. But I'm hunting long ideas here. Why? Well, first of all, we closed back above 64. That's a bullish sign. Here I said if we close above this level, 64,900, we are making a higher high. So that will change the structure of the market. When we are here, I said, well, let's watch this level. If we close above, then it's bullish. Well, we have the higher high. Now we need a fucking lower, higher low here. And usually to hunt a higher low, you need a long reload zone. Will form above the long reload zone here? Possible. Let's wait and see. But I don't have a setup here. Playing with pump chaser zone, I don't think is the case, but let's see. I need to go on lower time frame for a pump chaser. Clone this one. Okay, let's put it in the same place. Yeah, man. Kind of. Pump chaser zone. You can see it's too volatile for that. Not pump chaser zone. Sorry. We can hunt different setups on lower time frame on 50-minute chart, but not the case here for this live stream. But idea on Bitcoin. Bitcoin made a higher high. It's bullish in my view here, so I'll hunt long ideas. We are at the support again. We are back above the support and we are fighting at this level. Seeing the higher high makes me think we are strong and we should look for long setups. I could be wrong. Okay. 40% of the time, 60% of the time I'll make some money. And because I know how to play, I'll have a good risk to reward, at least 2-1, so I'll be profitable overall. It's all that matters, yeah? To be consistently profitable is just a balance between win rate and risk to reward. If you want to learn more about that, well, join us in Capua 1 and I'll explain step by step. Okay, so that's Bitcoin here. Some ideas you can play. Now, let's go and take a look at some altcoins, but I prefer 4-hour chart for that. Now, if I'll see something interesting, I'll go on lower time frame. Okay. So, zooming out. You can see this is not valid anymore, this long reload zone. We broke the structure below. So this big one, AB equals CD, is pointing out here in the long reload zone. W, breakout and retest will be a good play. Probably the best play will be if IEVO will go back down here at 78.6 and will make a nice W here. Look here, we didn't retest this bottom. We got straight up, consolidating up again. We retest this level, now we should retest the other one. So, what will convince me to get long again? Well, a nice W in the long reload zone, specifically 78.6 will be even better. With some bullish divergence, of course, and we are starting to have some. Alt. Well, similar. This isn't the price discovery, you know, guys, what I'm saying. So no, until we'll do something else. No, we lost the low. Price discovery to the downside. Nothing we can do here. Let it form a bottom. Let it form another W for our preferably daily chart, and then we can play around. If I remember correctly, scan the general chat and you'll find out Ken posted something about unlocks for August, and I think Alt was on that list. If it's the case, don't touch it until that. Wait for the unlock to happen. Let's see how deep we'll go, and then hunt for W's. CRV. Well, I took a trade here on this one. Come on, don't break my trade. Okay. I took a long and I'm okay with that. I'll keep it. Nice bottom forming here. Some well bought and redraw from Binance. A lot of CRV, and I'm okay to play this one. If we'll hit my stop loss, well, not a big deal. Next boss, you know the drill. But I'm long here. Dimension. Well, in the long reload zone, the problem I have here, because I have a problem with the dimension. Okay, we are in the long reload zone, but I don't like this AB equals CD because it's fucking there and everyone could see it. Take this one, clone it. Target for this AB equals CD, it's all the way down here testing the lows. It's possible? Yeah. We can play something like that? I think so. Big fat round number, $1. We are 30% higher. I should buy here? Well, if I'll see a clear setup, maybe. But it's better to put a limit order here. I hope you see what I see here. E-gold. Well, no setup. We are in the right location. We are trying to make some W's here, but no setup yet. Not yet. Let's wait. Let's wait. E-gold, it's a good proxy for some setups, but let's wait for a clear setup. Not to jump. Well, I see a W on 5-minute chart. Well, I don't know if E-gold is the best one for that. Stay on 4-hour chart. The environment is high volatility for the moment. So I don't think it's the case to do anything. Let's just wait. Let's just wait for a clear setup. Ethereum here. Well, I could go on lower time frame. This one is not valid. This long reload zone, we broke that. This channel not valid anymore. This level not valid anymore. Okay, we did a nice SFU here. Huh? You can see the SFU here was a clean one. SFU pumped. But overall, I think we can push back down here. Look at this yams. So I think it's weaker than Bitcoin for the moment. And until I'll see clear signs, clear W's on 4-hour chart, I'm not touching this one. So the deeper here in the long reload zone, AB equals CD, 78.6, around $3,000. It's a good level. Fat, I don't touch this one. You know why? I'll wait for a bottom to form. This one, if we'll go back down at 78.6 or in the long reload zone somewhere, maybe. Here I don't have a setup. I had this bot setup and it failed. So no bot anymore. Still valid trend line here, well respected. W the other side will convince me to take a long or back in the long reload zone here. Why not? Manta, no. Pixel, testing the lows. Well, you can see it testing here. I don't know, 10 cents, big fat round number. I could see it. Anyway, I don't see a W, clear one on 4-hour chart, preferably on daily. I don't touch things like that anymore. But we had a bot, and bot reached 50%, and now it's belly up. Well, sometimes setups fail, guys. It's that simple. 40%, 45% sometimes, maybe even more. They are failing. Let's not lose this one. Let's make a long reload zone from this one. Okay, let's put a long reload zone and let's wait. Huh? Look left. I think it's a good area to think long here in the long reload zone. Testing this support. The big fat Solana, well, was strong until now. Now it's not strong anymore. You can see it's going with the rest of the market. We had W's and nice uptrend. Now we have M's and going back down. Now it's in like a pump chaser zone. Let's delete this channel. We don't need it anymore. We had a nice uptrend channel. Now we have a pump chaser zone to watch out for a long idea. But let's wait for a long idea. Okay? We can see pump chaser zone. If you want to see it with a naked eye like me, well, practice on the chart. W here on 4-hour chart. I think we can form a setup here, but it will take some time. I don't see it yet. Just not yet. Ton, well, we'll probably fail this setup. I mean, in this one, I'll take a loss. Not a big problem. Was a clear setup here. Well, sometimes it's a fake out, yeah. That's why we are traders and we have stop losses and we are risking specific amounts per trade, because some trades will fail. Okay, that's my short list here. I don't think it's the case to look for more charts, because almost everything looks the same. It's in a good location, but nothing more than that. We need W's, we need bullish divergence. Some of them, they are forming some bullish divergence on 4-hour chart. So maybe in the weekend, maybe next week, who knows. Calendar, we discussed this one. Yeah, so we have the news. Watch out. Best solution is to be completely on the sidelines there. Twitter, not too many things we can say about Twitter. Just stupid things. Bottom is in, the top is in, the bottom is in, the top is in, and things like that. Satoshi VM, I'm watching this one for a potential bottom here. I could see something, a double here, maybe power of 3, but not ready yet. If Bitcoin will dump here, this one will go at $1 and maybe even lower. But I'm hunting some of the plays here, yeah, on the screener. Satoshi VM, you have it on KuCoin, so you can buy it there. I'll buy it on KuCoin, but I prefer to see it here because I have the entire history. It's a small difference in price. It's lower here and is a bit higher on KuCoin. But I'm willing to put 1-2% in this one overall. Even some setups. Why not, if will allow me. You can see good liquidity for the moment. Market cap pretty low at this point. At some point in time, this one was 10 times, maybe even more, 10 times higher. So I could see an opportunity here. And most of the on-chain plays, they are at discount. You just need to select what you think is better, what you think will have more chances to succeed, and buy some. It's that simple. So, It's Friday. Take it easy. Protect your capital. You need to play Monday again. So don't risk too much. You saw us playing 0.5% risk per trade, 1% max. Stefan is allowing him only 1% per day. If you lost 1%, it's out and will stay out for the entire day. Yeah, I have 2%, but usually I don't get to that level easily. Yeah, was a hard week. I get it. Yeah, everyone feels the pain of losing some trades, but that's trading, guys. If you cannot stand to play around, don't play this game. It's easy. If you don't like a game, don't fucking play it. Change the rules. Go on higher time frame. Stay on spot. You'll be more profitable. You have to think, well, I love to day trade, but I'm not able to be profitable. Okay, I'm here to play around, or I'm here to make money. Well, if I'm not able to day trade and I'm able to swing trade or to position trade or to invest, if I'm here to make money, I'll go where I can make money. I know the emotions are high and some people get addicted of day trading and scalping. But if you are not profitable and you tried multiple times and you cannot be profitable, well, go on higher time frame and then stay on scalping, but with $100 challenge. Test yourself multiple times until you can be profitable with that $100 on scalping and day trading. And after you become profitable, you can get some money back in and day trading. It's pretty simple. But all of this, it's an answer on a simple question. Why you are here? You are here to make money, or you are here to play around? Sorry about this rant, but it's necessary. I see a lot of people trying to scalp and day trade, but they are not suited for that. I'm not saying not try. Try until you succeed. Okay, I'm okay with that thinking. But try with a small amount. Don't put 10K and try to trade, to day trade. Maybe it's better to do Capua 1. Maybe after you learn to swing trade correctly, maybe you will do Capua 2. Well, learn first, make money after. Don't think if you have access to an account and some money in that account, you are a trader. You are not a trader. You need knowledge. You need experience. You need a lot of things to be a trader. You are just a victim for the Binance and for the experienced trader. It's that simple. Even a monkey could have a winning trade or 2 winning trades or 3 winning trades. That doesn't make you profitable. That is just a trap. Okay, I'm winning, I'll risk more, you don't know what you are doing, and when you are losing, you are removing your stop loss. The loss gets bigger and bigger, and you have big emotions, you are hoping to recover, and one time you see, well, I'm liquidated. Simple as that. That's the road. So learn first, make money later. We have Capua 1 will start in beginning of September. We have Capua 2 if you already know how to trade. And it's damn cheap, both of them. Go and search the entire internet if you can find the same deal. Okay, go there. But I don't think you'll find it. We built some traders in the last Capua 1 and Capua 2 cycles. We want to build more traders, but the rest is up to you guys. Well, enough rant. It's Friday. Protect your capital. I will try to hunt a long setup here on Bitcoin. So for me, it's longing opportunity on 1 hour chart and lower time frame. You can see it's bouncing. Motherfucker is bouncing from 64 and doesn't want to give me an entry. But it is what it is. Okay. See you guys later or Sunday in the weekly crypto review. Bye bye.